Cat. Male one is called tomcat. Female one is called queen. Rabbit. Male one is called buck. Female one is called doe. Deer. Male one is called buck. Female one is called doe. Kangaroo. Male one is called boomer. Female one is called flyer. Lion. Male one is called lion. Female one is called lioness. Tiger. Male one is called tiger. Female one is called tigress. Elephant. Male one is called bull. Female one is called cow. Gorilla. Male one is called silverback. Female one is called gorilla. Giraffe. Male one is called bull. Female one is called cow. Peacock. Male one is called peacock. Female one is called peahen. Camel. Male one is called bull. Female one is called cow. Bee. Male one is called drone. Female one is called worker. Ant. Male one is called drone. Female one is called worker. Goat. Male one is called Billy. Female one is called nanny. Sheep. Male one is called ram. Female one is called ewe. Dolphin. Male one is called bull. Female one is called cow. Pig. Male one is called boar. Female one is called sow. Chicken. Male one is called rooster. Female one is called hen. Duck. Male one is called drake. Female one is called duck. Goose. Male one is called gander. Female one is called goose. Swan. Male one is called cob. Female one is called pen. Mouse. Male one is called mouse. Female one is called doe. Turkey. Male one is called tom. Female one is called hen. Rat. Male one is called rat. Female one is called doe. Whale. Male one is called bull. Female one is called cow. Horse. Male one is called stallion. Female one is called mare. Wolf. Male one is called wolf. Female one is called she-wolf. Fox. Male one is called fox. Female one is called vixen. Donkey. Male one is called Jack. Female one is called Jenny. Zebra. Male one is called stallion. Female one is called mare. Dog. Male one is called dog. Female one is called bitch. Cow. Male one is called bull. Female one is called cow. Squirrel. Male one is called buck. Female one is called doe. Raccoon. Male one is called boar. Female one is called sow. Otter. Male one is called boar. Female one is called sow. Ostrich. Male one is called cock. Female one is called hen. Hedgehog. Male one is called boar. Female one is called sow. Zohippopotamus. Male one is called bull. Female one is called cow. Hamster. Male one is called boar. Female one is called sow.
Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more updates.